Hello all my friends out there. Here's Anita with beandesigns.com, and I want to share with you my awesome photo book that I just received from Snapfish. If you've been following me at all, you know I've been working on a scrapbook album, digital scrapbook album, documenting a wedding. This wedding happened in December of 2019. I'm so excited. I completed it. I submitted it to Snapfish and they turned it into a book, and we're going to open it here so you can see what I see, okay? So let's get started. Let's just use my scissors here. They were so timely. I ordered it and it shipped within days. I received it within 12 days of ordering it. I had a great coupon code, so I got a good deal, even though it's got multiple pages in it. If you want to see how I prepared it, there is another video showing that here on the channel. And let's see, we've got cardboard all the way around, and it's wrapped in plastic and bubble wrap. Let's just get that stuff all the way over there out of the way. Okay. And look at them. Isn't that beautiful? Let's get this out of the plastic. So I ordered a 12-inch by 12-inch bound book. I did the premium lay flat pages. And like I said, I have a video showing what I did. So here we have, I created this cover, and we have the title here on the back binding. Here's our back cover. It's got a nice texture. Very nice, very clear. Oh, this is just, it is just beautiful. So let's open it up. So here we are. First page. Look at those nice quality, heirloom quality pages. All of my edging, you can see that they didn't cut off much of my dimension around the edge. This is printed all as one, and so it has a seamless transition from side to side, page to page. Nice satin finish on the print. This is perfect. This is beautiful. I am so in love. So let me just point out, I'm really pleased with the amount that did not get lost around the edge. I'm pleased with how this syncs together. I love the colors, the quality. Colors look real true. This is beautiful. This is just about as beautiful as one could expect. I love that Snapfish was very good with tracking. They gave me very good tracking information. They gave me a great value because I had a good coupon that I could use. And I like the way that it's presented. I can tell that it's got a quality binding going on. It has good, nice back cover, nice front cover. You know, it's just pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I did use GIMP as my editing software to create the digital pages. I created the pages. When I created the pages, I did an imaginary 1/2 inch border around the edge so that everything stays inside the printed page. Nothing goes outside and gets lost. So you'll notice that if I had put this right on the very, very edge, it would have been lost, but I made sure and put it within a boundary. So that worked nicely. They were timely, they were communicative, quality product. I'm so pleased. I'm so excited. If you were interested in doing your own digital scrapbook, be sure and check out the channel because there's a lot of different weekly layout tutorials. Many of the pages in the book have a tutorial on how I did them. And there you go. Bye-bye for now.